And we have breaking news coming in right now. RJD's Tejasvi Yadav has responded to Prime Minister Modi, who had asked him and Rahul Gandhi to apologize as far as abuse to his mother from the stage of these two leaders was concerned. And now Tejasvi has said that this is just a drama to divert minds of the voters from vote theft. Tejasvi has also said that Prime Minister Modi earlier campaigned for a rapist. He is referring to Prajwal Revanna here, and he also said that Prime Minister Modi had taken a 50 crore girlfriend jibe. This is in reference to Shashi Tharoor and his late wife Sunanda Pushkar, although Prime Minister Modi never took any names in that. Let's listen to what exactly Tejasvi Yadav is saying. Bring this comment that has been made by RJD's Tejasvi Yadav as soon as possible, but let's first tell you the context of it. There was an incident where from the dais of Voter Adhikar Yatra, Prime Minister and his mother were abused, and because of that Prime Minister Modi had said that the Yuvraj, which he basically refers to for Tejasvi and Rahul, they need to apologize. Joining us for more on this is India Today's Aishwarya Paliwal. Aishwarya, it seems now RJD is hitting back, and Tejasvi Yadav is recounting many instances and trying to throw them at the face of the BJP now.
Well, it's become a big tug of war, let me tell you, Anjali, and we have seen how this actually has become the turning point. We have seen how year after year, in almost every election, something or the other is said, some personal remarks are being made. Now, RJD pointing fingers at Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the Bharatiya Janata Party and saying that these are the statements that were made by none other than Prime Minister Narendra Modi, by the top leader. To apologize for what he said. On the dais, when Rahul Gandhi spoke about Prime Minister Modi's mother, on the dais, Tejasvi Yadav and other leaders of the RJD were also present. The BJP has gone to town, Anjali, with what has been said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also made a very emotional appeal. In fact, you also saw how there were pictures of Prime Minister Modi along with his mother that were being posted on the social media platforms of BJP. Now, it's become a tug of war. The BJP said that they want Rahul Gandhi to apologize. The RJD now hitting back and counting and recounting all those times when some things were being said about other leaders and their mothers by the BJP or the top brass of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Right, Aishwarya, do stay with us. Let's listen to what Tejasvi Yadav has said.
एक बात समझिए, माँ होती है और माँ शब्द लेते ही बड़ा सुकून मिलता है। बेजुबानों की भी माँ होती है। जीव जंतु सब लोगों की जो है माँ है ना। और हम इतना कहना चाहते हैं कि किसी की भी माँ को अब शब्द जो है नहीं बोलना चाहिए। हम लोग इसके पक्षधर नहीं हैं, ना ही हम लोगों के संस्कार में ये है। सबकी माँ होती है, हम सबों की माँ। लेकिन सवाल ये उठता है कि जो ये आपके जो 1000 लोगों का जो शोषण जो किए हुए थे, क्या नाम है वो बैंगलोर वाले, रवन्ना, उनके प्रचार में जो है प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी जाते हैं। 50 करोड़ की गर्लफ्रेंड बोलने वाले मोदी जी, सोनिया गांधी जी को इतनी भद्दी भद्दी गालियां दी गई। नीतीश कुमार जी के डीएनए को ऊपर जो है सवाल उठाए गए। मेरे को भाजपा विधायक ने माँ बहनों की गालियां सदन में देने का काम किया। भाजपा के प्रवक्ता जो है कई बार जो है महिलाओं का अपमान किया ऑन कैमरा लाइव।